both ends.
Do I just dip it in?
Yeah, you can dip it in there and then dip it in the yellow. So essentially every one should have 2 paper towels in there other than of course your ends. And so basically essentially over time, Kaylin, is that the water and the color will travel up and eventually make your rainbow. So I mentioned, of course, I noticed that less water, more food coloring was better. I also did notice that if you have really thick paper towels, it will be a little bit slower. So a thinner paper towel might be good just if you're trying to do it quick with the kids. And something else that I did notice too is that you know, the more dense your color is, of course, the better it works. So I added a lot of extra water to the purple to kind of balance out how dominant the blue was. So it's not traveling as well. So you can also kind of talk your kids through that. Maybe even talk about the scientific method, you know, ask them what they think is going to happen beforehand. And a kind of a cool little lesson as to, you know, how plants get their water and how this water and color can work against gravity, because most of the time you would think, well, of course the water can't travel against gravity, but